Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to part 2 of predictive intelligence. In this video, we are going to see the demo of this. I will show you in the PDI. Before that, if you have not watched the first video, that is predictive intelligence overview, you can go through this series and watch it fully. This will give you the complete end-to-end overview along with all the basics of predictive intelligence. Okay, along with that, you can see this is my Udemy account. I have published 4 courses here. My discovery course is already viral, ServiceNow CMDB and Discovery Genius. You can see around 1000 rating and more than 5000 people are already enrolled in it. Okay, it is having rating of 4.5. If you want, you can go through it. Along with that, recently I have added a course on complete CMDB and CSTM implementation in ServiceNow. A very good course, properly crafted for the people who are looking into CMDB and CSTM collectively. Along with that, if you are looking to see the scenarios, this is the course for you, ServiceNow Data Import Real-Time Scenarios. This is my latest course, and in this I have provided a complete end-to-end how to load data into ServiceNow. I have added around 5 to 6 ways by which you can load data, starting from the basics to web service, to scripted web service, to integration through mid server and various others. I am also planning to add much more scenarios in this course. So in future, this course is going to be a complete end-to-end scenario course on ServiceNow, which you will not find anywhere else. So if you want, you can enroll in any of this course and let your ServiceNow journey up to maximum. Okay, so now let us move to our today's video. This is my predictive intelligence. In this, I have added 2 examples that I will show you. Okay, I have added for classification as well as for similarity. I will try to test it as well. So let's go to the solution definition of classification. I hope you know what is classification from the previous video. So now in this, I have created for predict assignment group. Let me open it. So to configure, you just have to fill up all these basic values, the label, predict assignment group. Then we have the step 1, that is what are you interested in predicting? So I want to predict assignment group. This is the field and from this table. So you have to select the table as well as the field you want to predict. Very simple. Then in step 2, what input data is helpful to predict the output? As I told you, we have to use our ServiceNow data. So again, I have to provide which fields are there on which we can do the training of the data, right? So what fields I have selected? I have selected short description and category field. So now the classification model will be trained on these 2 values from the data from our instance. Okay. And then in step number 3, you have to provide what historical data do you want to train the solution and how frequently you want to train it. Okay. So the filter which I have given here for my current data, that is assignment group should not be empty. So now while training, what is the data here? It is all the records which are having assignment group. Total number of records are here 73. Just remember that in ServiceNow, minimum requirement for data is 1000 record out of box. Because this is demo instance, I am not able to provide 1000 records. So that's why I have changed one property. You also need to change it if you have less data. So you have to go here. This is the system property. Let me open it. This one. Glide platform ML API CSV minimum line. Okay. So here previously the value was 1000, but I have updated it to 50 records. Okay. Just for testing purpose. The more data you provide, the more prediction will be good. Okay. So depends on the data only. We have to ensure the predictability. But because I am just showing you for training purpose, you can see all these things here. So now in this, we have provided everything. First one is what I want to predict, from where I want to predict, and what fields are there to do the predictions. And at the bottom, when you want to run it. Okay, so that's it. Once you are done with it, just you have to click on submit, and then you see the button of training. So because I have already submitted here, that's why I'm seeing the button of retraining. Okay, as soon as the job runs, that is the training job runs, you will see something at the bottom. That is the solution. So here you see, I have tried it for 2 times. but unfortunately I got some error here, error while training solution. Every time the progress is completed for 75%, but it is failing then. Okay, so I'm not able to understand what is the error here because we have limited options here. This is a demo instance, so much more things are not available. There is no error in this, error logs as well. So that's why I'm not able to understand the problem. But I have tried for one more thing, that is similarity. If I go to solution definition for similarity, I have created for similar incident. Let me open this one, as well as let me open the new one here. In this also, you have to first provide the label and then you have to provide, please select the table and fields you want to use to retrieve your similarity results. Okay, as well as the table from where you want to compare. So in both of these cases, I want to compare incident with the incident, because that's why when I create a new record, the model try to search that in the incident table and provide me the update that such type of incident is already created, so that the agent or anyone who is creating the incident will go and look into that and see if that solution is applicable to you. So that's why it is saving time, it is saving energy and operations. Okay, so this is how it works. So the same I have created here, similar incident. You can see similar incident, the name, then both are the tables. Then field is again short description. On the basis of short description only, I am predicting the similarity. Okay. So the same short description in again, second one, test one as well. And then the condition is short description is not empty. This is my condition on this small set of data based on your organization, based on your test case, you can do by yourself. Rest all things are the same. Okay. You can set up stop words according to your company nomenclature or standards. Okay. So once it is done, you can see at the bottom, training was complete and there is a solution created and it is 100% progressed. So let me open this, or we can go here and click on solutions here. The same will available here. Open it. You can see the status, solution is complete. Now we have the option to do the testing as well. Okay, so you can do the testing here. So let me find out something. Let me go to incident table. Open the incident. So let's try for this one. This is about replacement of laptop battery, right? So let me write down just this one there in the testing. Short description, write down this and click on run test. So you see here at the bottom, the prediction is in front of you. It is showing me the threshold as 80. Confidence is 82.32%. And it is providing me the record number, the same incident which I was talking about. So this is how we predict the similarity. So it will save our time and energy as well as the operation cost. So this is how similarity works. We can use these similarity solutions on various places like on workspace or on any kind of API. All these options are available. So in future videos, I may try to give you that as well, because ladies and gentlemen, this instance is limited, right? I am not testing this in a full-fledged instance, right? This is a testing instance or demo instance. That's why I am kind of, limited here. But I hope you understand the basics of this, how to implement solution definition, where the solution is coming, how to update the stop words, what is the word corpus, all these things you know now. You have the basic fundamental with you from these two videos, and you can do wonders in your actual instance. Thank you so much. Subscribe and share.